Hello, my name is Rehan Pilabicaksono. I will tell you about a few things. First, I want to tell you about my most unforgettable experience. At that time, I was 3 grade of senior high school. I have good classmates and always stayed together. We always work together. Not only that, we always play together when we have free time during the farewell event. Your class took a trip out of town. Your destination is several places in Yogyakarta. We went three by bus. During the trip, my friend and I sang together and did fun things. It was the very first time my friends and I went without the supervision of teachers and parents. And however, we all asked permission beforehand. Your first destination was the beach. The beach we went to was amazing. Incidentally, and that time, not many people came to the beach. When we got three, my friends and immediately set up a tent for shelter. We are getting ready to do some useful photos together for memories. After taking some photos, um, we played in the weather and together. After being satisfied playing from the beach, we moved place and with the gun began to set. Your next destination is very beautiful night view. In that place there are many lakes and the scenery around is amazing. However, suddenly it rained and some of the lights went out. We decided to go home when the rain stopped. On the way home, my friends and I talked until we were exhausted. That day was included in my unforgettable experience, but to be honest, the senior high school period as a very memorable experience. Talking about every day in my life, my daily is boring. After waking up is a course of the prayers. As a Muslim, is the mandatory routine for me is a dawn for 5 times. Next, I wait for the lecture class. Usually, I do a little exercise or watch a movie while waiting for college class. When the time came, I did well in college class. Classes usually finish at noon. Depending on the lecture, whose teachers even talk, sometimes there are material that I don't understand, but I have to try to understand them. After class, I prepare to go work a part-time work in pharmacy near in my house. I come from I come home from work at night. After coming home from work, sometimes I do assessment and relearn the material taught during class. After that, I took a break to continue my next activity. To fill my boredom every day, I sometimes watch the movie, anime, or Korean drama. Not only that, sometimes I also read some novels and try new recipes like side and my daily life is so boring. However, I am happy to go about my daily activities in order not to be boring. I always go through the day with a smile because life repeats itself every day and depends on this living that life. Well, it's been about 2 years. Indonesia has a COVID-19 pandemic. Everyone wants this pandemic to end when the COVID-19 pandemic is over. I have a lot of plans that I want to do, like doing lecture offline and being able to meet a lot of new people later. Next, sometime entertainment place without needing to wear a mask again because I want to go abroad later. Therefore, waiting for this pandemic to end, I have to study hard so I can take part in student exchange. There are many things I want to do after this pandemic. If they mention one by one, it will take a lot of time. Therefore, I hope that this pandemic will end quickly and I can carry out my plans one by one later. Okay, guys, I think that's enough for this story or my story, and I hope that my story I will be well received by all of you. So if there are my any mistakes, and I apologize. See you and another time. Passion for life and take care your health. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.